Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the Cook & Home Kitchen Cookware Sets, a 12-piece collection of basic stainless steel pots and pans in a sleek silver finish that's perfect for all your culinary adventures. This versatile set includes a 1.5-quart saucepan with lid, 1.5-quart, 2-quart, and 3-quart saucepot casseroles with lids, a 5.5-quart stockpot with lid, and a 10-inch fry pan with lid, ensuring you have the right tool for every recipe. Crafted from mirror-polished 18/10 stainless steel with an aluminum disc bottom, these pots and pans offer excellent heat distribution, eliminating hot spots for even cooking. They're compatible with a variety of stovetops, including induction, gas, electric, glass, ceramic, and halogen, and are oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, with lids safe up to 350 degrees. The reflective finish makes them easy to clean, and their stackable design with a flat base provides convenient storage and stability on cooktops. Featuring tempered glass lids with steam vents and riveted stainless steel handles, these cookware pieces allow you to monitor your food while cooking and offer a comfortable, secure grip. Plus, the perforated handle design makes for easy hanging, saving valuable space in your kitchen. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.